Okay, and then next, we have mixtures. Okay, okay. Now, we said a mixture is a combination of two or more substances, where these substances are not bonded or joined to each other, and no chemical reaction occurs between the substances. So, what we are saying in general is a mixture is a combination of two or more substances physically combined together. Physically combined together. Now, in a mixture, the substances that make up the mixture, number one, they are not in a fixed ratio. They are not in a fixed ratio. What that means is that if you have 250 ml of water and you add sand to the water, it doesn't matter whether you add 20 gram, 40 gram, 100 gram, or any other mass of sand to the water, it will still be called a mixture of sand and water. They are not in a fixed ratio. Number two, the substances that make up a mixture, they keep or they retain their physical properties. They retain their physical properties. Number three, they can be separated by mechanical means. Mechanical means that we're talking of physical means, not a chemical process. They can be separated by a mechanical means or a physical means. For example, the mixture of sand and water, it is possible to separate the mixture by simply pouring the water through a filter, and then you have your sand remaining. Something physical is done to the mixture rather than something chemical. So we can group mixtures into heterogeneous mixtures or homogeneous mixtures. Homo, same; hetero, different. Okay, what are heterogeneous mixtures? A heterogeneous mixture, a mixture is said to be heterogeneous, or a heterogeneous mixture is a mixture that does not have a definite composition. A definite composition. For example, look at it. Cereal in milk. Yes, is a clear example of a heterogeneous mixture. Soil is another example. The mixture does not have a definite composition of its constituents. Okay, soil has pebbles, plant matter, and sand in it. Although you may add one substance to the other, they will still stay separate in the mixture. So we say that these heterogeneous mixtures are non-uniform. They are not uniform. In other words, they are not exactly the same throughout. I told us hetero means different, homo means the same. Hetero means different, homo means the same. Well, like I said earlier on, I said a heterogeneous mixture is a mixture that consists of two or more substances. It is non-uniform and different components of the mixture can be seen. Heterogeneous mixtures are further divided or subdivided according to whether it is two liquids mixed, a solid and a liquid mixed, or a liquid and a gas mixed, even a gas and a solid mixed. These mixtures are given some special names, which you will see below. This is one part you need to take note. This is one area Jamb pick their questions from. Now you have the phases of matter, you have name of mixture, and you have example. So when you have a liquid to liquid mixture, the name of the mixture is called an emulsion. An emulsion. An emulsion. An example is oil in water. An emulsion. Oil in water is an example of an emulsion. Then when you have a solid to liquid mixture, that one is called a suspension. When the solid is mixed in the liquid, what we have is a suspension. An example is a muddy water. A muddy water. Then when you have a gas and liquid mixture, the name of that mixture is an aerosol. 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 Example is fizzy drinks. Fizzy drinks. Drinks like your Coke. They when you open them, you can see particles of gaseous substances, gases, CO2 escaping from the bottle or the can. So that's a gas liquid mixture. Then we have a gas solid mixture. That one is smoke. An example of that, example of a gas solid mixture is smog.